Hola art lovers, I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, my last video was on urgent commission work of a couple portrait. If you have not seen the video, go in the description box below and click on the link. So, in today's video, I'm going to explain how to sketch and shade a baby. Starting with the materials I'll be using for the sketch. So, mechanical pencil 2B HB, Staedtler 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and Puristo 8 and 10B. Also, the eraser I'll be using a kneadable eraser, Faber-Castell dust-free eraser, and Kohinoor pencil eraser. And for blending, I'll be using this Huda Beauty makeup brush kit, which are of medium size, and a paper stump, and a Johnson's Baby earbud I use for blending. Also, I use a ruler, which is a roller ruler, so it's easy to use. Also, a masking tape if required. Also, for smudging I use cotton. So this is all. Also, in my next video I'll be uploading a complete tutorial on what drawing tools and materials I use for sketching, so stay tuned. For outlining the sketch, I'm using grid method. I prefer this method because it gives accuracy and realism to your drawings. On a plus note, saves the time as well. I'll also share a complete tutorial on how to draw or sketch using grid method and why this method is the most used method by all the artists. Once the outline is done of a sketch, I always like to start with hair first. So I make strokes and lines of hair with light shade first. Here I have used HB mechanical pencil, then another layer of HB and 6B Staedtler accordingly. My next target is then eyes, so here also I do layering first with HB 2B first, and then with darker shades like 4B, 6B, 8B. For eye highlights and white space, I leave the space at first only, and after doing the shading and all, I erase the white parts again with the pencil eraser. For blending the eyes, I use earbuds or paper stump. Also, I'll be uploading a complete tutorial on how to draw and shade realistic eyes in detail. Once the eyes are done, I move on to the shading part. So I move on to shading the face with light stroke first. So I use HB Staedtler pencil. According to the reference image, I make strokes and shading on the face, below the eyes, nose, cheeks, lips, chin, neck, and this is completely dependent on the reference image and the source of light. Once I am done with shading and blocking the dark areas, now it's time for blending, which is the most fun part for me. So for blending, I'm using Huda Beauty medium size eyeshadow brush from my makeup kit. I use it instead of painting brush because it blends the graphite really well and it gives a smooth effect. There's a lot of blending tools for beginners that I'll explain in my upcoming tutorial on what drawing tools and materials I use for sketching. Once the face is blended, it's time for the body and props to shade and blend. So here the boy is wearing a shirt, so I'll first block the dark areas and values on it according to the reference image. I'm using 6B and 8B for that, and for light areas I'll be using 2B and 4B. This one is a simple shirt with some dark and light values. Soon I'll be uploading a complete tutorial guide on the easiest way on how to draw a check shirt. So stay tuned. To achieve realism in a sketch, props and background should be shaded properly, observing the light and the dark values. Once the shading, stroking, blocking is done, it's time for my favorite technique. Yes, blending. So the shirt is a large area, so I'll be using cotton to blend and smudge the graphite. Even for the background, I'll be using cotton. Once the blending is done, it's time to give a finishing touch to your sketch. Erase the smudge areas, highlight the dark and the light areas, and ta-da, your sketch is ready to flaunt. Also guys, my next video will be a complete tutorial on what drawing tools and materials I use for sketching. So it's very useful for the beginners. Stay tuned with Kalai Art, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kalai Art. Bye bye, take care, stay safe.